Hi and welcome. In this video, we will look at the advanced search in CS analytical methods. Let's look at an example about methods analyzing toluene in drinking waters. We're in CS analytical methods. Many times we start with a simple search. In the search box, type in toluene. Toluene is a substance that has many applications. Hit search. Now we have a rather large set of answers to review. You can certainly apply filters as we discussed in the previous video to refine answers. When simple search provides too many answers to comb through and you have a specific topic in mind, advanced search is an excellent option to bypass the exploration step. Back to main search page and select advanced search. In the query builder, for the same topic, use drop-down menu to select a proper option. In this case, I choose Analyte and type in toluene. Then choose an operator. I'm going to keep AND to combine our second criterion, matrix, and type in drinking waters. More criteria can be added using the Add Search Criteria button. Feel free to try different combinations or add additional queries to further explore methods. Hit search, and it takes us directly to methods analyzing toluene in drinking waters. I hope you find this video useful. Feel free to check out our other videos in the series. Thank you for watching.